自杀嘅内列报道，对头下嘛将毛利化看作係一类问题，都变做国家资产。古嘢来讲，紐西蘭嘅語言政策已經宣講係語言平等嘅階段內，因為官方語言嘅地位，政府也是提前來保護同推廣。唔過依度毛利人講，毛利化嘅復甦其實冇乜嘅起色。作為按道嘅事來維護華語，尤其是按道前啲學校嘅教育，結果母語搶啲學校聽得到。故所見到發現，所有愛保護語言嘅做法，前面係套家庭同社區，係無行嘅無頭，也咪係潛能嘅部分，因為錢也係唔係問題嘅，重點係同人。
紐西蘭更加有480間語言島，64間毛利語中小學，還有3間毛利大學。用按照嘅人口來看，全毛利語嘅學校教育成果相對得人驚嘅。不過其實大多數嘅家長唔會選擇按呢嘅學校。
Some, of course, like my own family, they'd rather go to kindergarten, where there's no Maori, there's just all in English. Some people don't see the value of retaining the language.
從阿偉路卡安尼嘅情形，如很難得的。阿偉自家係蘇格蘭同毛利混血，中國同毛利混血嘅 Jenny 係伊嘅教育模嘢。兩台人嘅同業，如唔本人鼓勵個母語，故所更加人哋路卡對第三台搶個毛利化。
It's a commitment. I mean, the first commitment is you have to learn Māori yourself. And that's a commitment. If you can't, and it's not easy. It's not easy to learn Māori in a country where you can't go anywhere in this country and hear Māori spoken all the time. It has to be within our own homes. Or what we do is we create sort of spaces that we only speak Māori in.
To me, that's the best way to retain the language is for the parents to speak it to their children all the time. I understand that if you speak in Maori all the time to children until age 9, they won't lose the language.
為做到鼓勵家長同成人嘅講毛利化，紐西蘭政府每8千本軌道支持體內，尤其用社區遐到社團體為主，從營養經費差唔多新台幣3億3750萬嘅馬德里奧計劃，日本社區也算普落提案申請來增加毛利語嘅使用同能力。還有針對家庭嘅語言投資多路卡服務計劃，如係愛本講毛利化嘅家庭有感覺受到支持。
Because both parents and that are second language learners, and their children, they send them to the schools. But when you're back at home, it's difficult for a small family to extend themselves constantly. So we have groups of family that are mentored and supported in that with all sorts of activities.
You can't take a learner in Māoridom and put them somewhere else and expect them to succeed as an individual. A learner is part of they've got parents, they've got grandparents, they're part of a whānau, they're part of a niwi. So if you don't involve them in the learning, then that person has less chance of succeeding or achieving as a Māori. 呢度毛利人講復甦毛利語，唔但搶係為防止移民客，還要對母語出發，能有可能變做正經嘅毛利人。故所也唔係13年嘅事情，家庭、社區、每一個國家13年都會扮演角色，獻身支持體內，能開一樣按困難嘅任務。下個新聞馮陽山吳義勇睇紐西蘭嘅採訪報道。